Oh no, my phone is black. Why doesn't it work? Nothing, no light, no sound. Come on, please turn on. What do I do now?
Good morning, Emma. You look worried.
My
Mẹ ơi,
phone
mẹ
is
xem tin nhắn
broken.
này đi. Để
Look
mẹ
at the
xem nào con.
screen.
Con không biết phải làm sao
that's
nữa.
not good. Let me check it carefully.
I feel so nervous without my phone.
Don't worry, we can fix it.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's walk.
This feels strange.
Only piano. That's very calm.
I always check my phone.
Gentle humming returns.
It's okay. I'm here.
The city wakes up slowly in the morning light.
I don't know where to look.
Warm light shines from the bakery. Fresh bread fills the window.
Wow, that smells so good.
Steam rises from warm bread.
I never noticed this before.
People cross
Beautiful
the busy
day, isn't it?
street.
It really is. Enjoy it.
A
Do you
bus
think the
stop
bus is
fills
late?
with waiting
Maybe.
people.
The schedule's pretty tight. It'll be here soon, folks.
Everyone looks so busy.
The bus arrives slowly. The bus is almost empty.
I usually look at my phone.
Trees pass by outside.
The sky looks beautiful.
Blue sky opens above the city. Birds fly freely.
I feel calmer now.
Nature is
Wow,
nice,
nhìn những hàng cây
right?
xanh tươi này. Hãy đi dạo nào để cảm nhận sự tươi mát của thiên nhiên.
Sunlight dances through leaves. A coffee shop welcomes the morning.
Should we stop here?
Yes, let's go inside.
Hot coffee sends up steam.
It's warm in my hands. It tastes different today.
And then you just
Everyone
walked right
looks
into the
happy.
door. Hey, classic. We have to tell everyone.
Flowers bloom in bright colors. Red, yellow, and pink shine.
They feel so soft. The colors are amazing.
Water splashes gently. Children laugh loudly.
Come on, kids, enjoy.
They enjoy simple things.
A guitar
Strumming my guitar on
plays
the
on the
sunny day
street.
fall. People walking by with places to go, but
Strings vibrate with music.
This music feels real.
dog runs freely.
I'm smiling without thinking. I feel peaceful.
Fresh fruit fills the market. Colors shine on the fruit.
It smells so fresh. I like choosing by hand. Life feels alive.
The repair shop appears.
I hope they can fix it.
Hello, how can I help?
My phone
Please
doesn't
be
work.
careful with it.
I will. Let's see what we have here.
Let me take a look.
I feel a bit nervous.
I move slowly.
I'll just wait.
People walk outside.
Waiting feels okay.
I'm changing
Carefully
the
removing
battery.
the old battery. Now, seating the new one securely.
A new battery fits inside. The screen lights up.
Oh,
you're
it
here.
works.
I got here as fast as I could.
I'm so relieved. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you so much. I don't need to check it now. I'll keep it away. I want to walk.
Evening light warms the street. The sky turns orange and pink.
The sky is beautiful.
Yes, it really is.
The city rests under sunset.
I feel happy. Let's
This
go
evening
home.
walk is just what I needed. Me too.
Yes.
It's so peaceful. I agree. Almost home.
Street lights glow softly.
I can breathe calmly.
The sky reflects in glass.
I feel confident.
The
Đêm nay đẹp
street
quá anh
grows
Nga.
quiet.
Đi bộ về nhà thích thật. Hẹn mai nhé. Mai gặp.
Home feels nice. I don't feel lost anymore. The world is enough.
The sky stretches wide and calm.
My phone broke, but I found life.